Good morning, students. Today we will see our last topic in Unit 6, electrostream drilling. Nothing but electrolyte stream is going to be applied in the onto the workpiece surface to machine a hole through hole in the workpiece. How it will be based on the principle of similar to the electrochemical machining, but with a little different. The electrolyte here we use is an acidic medium. Okay, that's the major difference. We'll see first. First, we'll see the difference between them. In conventional electrochemical drilling, hollow metal tube is used as cathode, right? Electrolyte flows at high velocity and cathode penetrates into the hole. Hole diameter will be greater than cathode outside diameter, and due to the there is that's the constraint here. There, the cathode diameter outside nothing but the tool diameter is less than the or almost the same of the hole which we require to drill. To drill a hole small diameter, to drill a hole of small diameter, this electrostream drilling can be used. See, in electrochemical drilling, we will be using hollow tube of lengthy rod, similar to a lengthy rod, and it can be used for very small, comparatively small in particular applications like aerospace applications where we need to provide some small joint so that part is of small. So the assembly should be of very tiny. Then we can use this electrostream drilling instead of electrochemical drilling. High velocity negatively charged acidic electrolyte stream is used in this process, right? This is the major difference. In general, chemical machining process, metal hydroxide precipitates and they don't react with electrolyte. But in ESD, they dissolve in electrolyte. Why we use acidic stream in electrolytes as electrolyte is because when this hole is very small, right? When this hole is very small, if we provide that chemical, we will be having a disadvantage of precipitates in electrochemical machining, right? So to avoid that, we use this ESD, electrostream drilling. But what is the benefit of this? Because we use acidic electrolyte here, immediately the workpiece material, which is uh, of very small particles, gets immediately react with this acidic medium and forms the it tries to dissolve in that electrolyte, not forming the hydroxide precipitates. That's the reason why we choose ESD over ECD in for small diameter holes. See, the construction will be similar. You can see here power supply unit, a non-contact tube, you can say, tool, nozzle here, a workpiece which we are machining. This is the picture and this is the workpiece. This is the supply unit of electrolyte. Now, here we use it as acidic electrolyte, sulfuric acid or nitric acid we use. See, and this is the feed mechanism we'll be having. We are going to continuously uh, provide this hollow tube with electrolyte to the workpiece, onto the workpiece. And this is some feeding mechanism for fixture also, right? So this is the construction of electrostream drilling. See, you can see here in this picture, once this flow is happening, immediately it removes and the flow also moves away. See, okay, here you wanna observe this diameter, work hole diameter is more than the same similar application to the chemical drilling. What is the process principles and specification? This process differs from conventional electrochemical drilling machine. High velocity negatively charged electrolyte is used, acidic electrolyte is used. Debris of metal hydroxide generated in the process is dissolved by acidic electrolyte. See, those are the metal forms oxides, but they dissolve due to this acidic electrolyte. Due to dissolving, that doesn't clog between inter-electrode gap. Therefore, you can generate any type of hole, right? This is the major advantage and difference between electrochemical drilling and electro stream drilling. There will be no clogging or no blocking or precipitate generation. Even the precipitate generated, it gets dissolved in the electrolyte acidic, which is acidic nature in electrostream drilling, which is different from electrochemical drilling. Hole size that we can generate of diameter 0.127 to 0.89 mm. Voltage that can be applied here is 150 to 850 volts. Nozzle is made of glass material or tungsten or titanium material. Electrostream of electrolyte with high velocity is flowing through the nozzle. Nozzle diameter is as small as possible, right? Nozzle is given feed towards the workpiece. See, this is how the step-by-step process is going to happen. Acidic electrolyte, after impinging on the surface, will dissolve it and material removal will occur. Here, the principle happens. Once the acidic electrolyte is impinged or hit the workpiece surface, immediately the metal hydroxide forms and it gets immediately dissolved in that electrolyte, acidic electrolyte, and the material is removed at the location where we apply the electrolyte, similar to chemical mill or drill. Exhaust fan is used to vent out the gas bubbles created during this process. Electrolyte temperature maintained through the use of heater. You can see in the construction also we will be having a heater to heat the or maintain the electrolyte temperature, which is more important for dissolving of these precipitates. Filter is used to filter the metallic hydroxide particles from electrolyte, if any. See, approximately if 90% is dissolved, some particles will be remain, right, or will be in the process of dissolving. Okay, because this is a quick process. At that, those particles, if any contaminations, can be filtered by filters which we use in the construction. What are the process parameters? Nozzle standoff distance, these we already know. Flow of electrolyte through nozzle, that means velocity and pressure of that electrolyte which we maintain to the supply while we supply. Type of metal of workpiece we are machining. Type of electrolyte being used. What type of sulfuric acid means we need to maintain some other pressure or some other temperature. Nitric acid differs. Such process parameters we need to consider. Temperature and other physical electro factors of electrolyte. These are the process parameters which we need to maintain or provide before we machine some workpiece on of our requirement, so that by setting these parameters perfectly, we attain the process characteristics like surface roughness, material removal rate as per our requirement. What are the advantages? Used for drilling high aspect ratio holes, machining rate will be 1.5 mm per minute. Special cases, 96 holes have been simultaneously drilled in a turbine blade in 15 minutes. It's a, we can say it is a case study point just quoted here. So simultaneously we can machine numerous number of holes at a time within short period of time. So see, depends on the diameter and depth of the holes. Okay, the time and the number of holes. Shallow holes of angle up to 75 degrees from normal to workpiece can be drilled. So tapered or angled holes can be drilled. Tolerance of up to plus or minus 5% of hole diameter, not less than 0.025 mm. Surface finish that we can attain will be 0.25 to 1.65 micrometer. Taper can be controlled of a certain of about 0.03 mm. It's a mistake, sorry, 0.03 mm, not centimeter. No burst generation, no residual stresses induced, insignificant heat affected zone, no tool wear. So these are the major advantages of ESD, electrostream drilling. Coming to the disadvantages, high initial setup cost can be used for drilling large number of holes or large holes. Large can't be used. Sorry, can't be used for drilling large number of holes. Large holes, sorry, not large number of holes. Large holes. Only for applying small holes. That too because in chemical milling, if we use electrochemical machine at that particular small diameter of holes, it will be there will be precipitation clogging. So to avoid that, we have this alternate machining operation. Electrically conductive materials are necessary as workpiece. So this is the major point when we consider electrolyte or electric. We just can be machined only conductive, electrically conductive materials only using these processes. Low material removal, right? Because we machine small diameters, it will be of surface finishing kind of thing. Sorry, very small. Comparatively, the material removal rate will be low.